Bill, how are you?
Good to see you, Doc.
How have you been?
Pretty good. I was stripping wire with it, up the farm, and broke my tooth. And you're going to fix it for me today?
Not the first time this has happened. Even stripping wire with teeth. Yes, I can fix it. Yes, we will fix it.
Okay.
So, Shane. Hey, you're going to rinse you out. It's still okay, Bill? Okay, if you want to, here we'll shine a light. You see what we're fixing? Better. That is decay free. And I'm going to bring this up here. If you take a look right there, that's all decay free.
Highland Hill Farm is located in Fountainville, PA, in Bucks County. We're situated close to Philadelphia, New York, so we service the Philadelphia, New York metropolitan area as well as the Washington, D.C. corridor. We ship from our Lenoir, North Carolina facilities, our Fountainville facilities, and our Milan, PA facilities. If you need trees or shrubs on the East Coast, we do deliver and install. So give us a call at 215-651-8329 for trees and shrubs, or if you have a question about trees and shrubs, we'd be glad to try and answer your questions. So Highland Hill Farm is your source for information and also for trees and shrubs on the East Coast. Thank you.